This is how you can create your own portfolio website completely for free using Notion. Just go over to Notion and create your own Notion page. After that, press on the share button, copy this link, and then just go over to app.super.so, which is this particular website over here, and create your new site. Now once you create your new site, you would be prompted with adding your Notion page URL, so you can paste it over here and name your site whatever you want. Now your own custom website would be created after this, and you can basically set up your own custom domain from this section and connect it over here, and then you can see your website live. So this is my own portfolio website.